Hey everybody. So today we're going to go over just some of the audio differences that I found with the Kooks long tube headers with the catted mid pipes, catless mid pipes, and then just open headers during the process when we swapped them over on the lift. I figured some people might like to see or rather hear the differences in the tone and the rasp, stuff like that. I've got dual exhaust with dual tips on each side, so that might make it a little unique to others. It is a 3-inch collector into the 3-inch mid pipes. However, the previous owner put a pretty shoddy 2.5-inch straight pipe exhaust with H pipes after that. Now that's something I am gonna rectify in the future, but I probably will keep the H pipe. I do like the way that sounds, but I'll probably make it a full 3-inch all the way out the back. I've got some Billy Boat Timbre cylinders. They're kind of like some resonators that they make they put on the Corvette systems that I bought individually that I'm going to have tacked in line and ran out the back. But until we get down the road, get the LS3 installed, I'm not really making that a priority right now. So we'll get some different videos up on that. But let's just move into this. I've quick 30-second video for each of them, and it'll give you a good example of what the car sounds like, what an LS sounds like with Kooks headers, and just the cats and catless mid pipes on it with no other muffler or resonator other than that. So here we go.